In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how you can add 10 feet to your player's effective shooting range and 10% to their field goal percentage in only 4 weeks using our Sniper 2.0 training program. I've spent the last 18 years helping players just like yours master the skill of shooting, and 8 years developing what I call my remodeling approach that eventually became the Sniper system. Now, you're probably thinking that shooting more shots in the driveway is all your player really needs to help them improve their shooting. But after 8 years of really studying player progress with shooting, I can say with certainty that what they need most is precise feedback. The kind that allows them to build a self-diagnosis system where they know how to fix any kind of miss, even from play to play during games. Our hybrid curriculum and our 4 touch point system of reinforcement, combined with 150 repetitions per workout, leaves no doubt in your player's mind about what is the right action and makes the certainty and concrete confidence in their new capability really stick with them, and in our experience, stick with them for years to come. What you're going to get in this package is the 4-week focused curriculum based around the Sniper 2.0 concepts, and that includes our 4 touch point system, which is the preview video and demo of what we're going to do on the court, the one-on-one workout, the quiz at the end of the week, and a video recording of every shot they took, so they can have that as their practice database. You're also going to get the 4 Sniper 2.0 course modules online, where they will see a video and an audio and a quiz in a way they can interact with the material, rewind and rewatch, really prime their brain with everything they need to know before they hit the court, so we get less talk and more action when they're physically with us in the gym. They're also going to get the 4 power-packed Sniper 2.0 workouts, and we've really distilled and condensed as much material as we can per week, and we use the espresso versus gallon of coffee approach to do in 30 minutes what most coaches would see as a 2-hour practice with a large group. We're also going to get the 4 Dr. Dish private rentals over the 4-week course. Each week you get 30 minutes with our Dr. Dish shooting machine you can see here behind me. It's a passing and rebounding machine, the equivalent of a batting cage for basketball players, and allows them to get about 300 shots in a 30-minute session where they can get those repetitions over and over and over again, practicing what they've learned as part of the course. You're also going to get the recording of every shot your player takes through every workout, and that is available as an app on their phone, so they can go watch that if they're practicing at home on their own. They have that practice database, we call it. They can go watch themselves, do it incorrectly and miss, do it correctly and make. They see the difference. They get reinforced a 4th time as part of our 4 touch point system I mentioned, and they're able to practice it correctly going forward. You're also going to get the PDF report we created, kind of outlining our whole philosophy behind how we're teaching shooting, called the 10 Tips to Increase Shooting Range. And then finally, the Scores Formula video series, How to Become a Smarter Shooter. So getting away from just the technical aspect of shot mechanics, where most people spend their time studying the psychology of shot selection and the math behind shot selection, to get your player making better, high-value shot decisions in games and increasing their efficiency and their value to their team. Now, all of this stacks up to be a value of $1,126. I'm not going to charge you $1,126. I'm not even going to charge you the $700 that it would cost you to do a custom training package with me to go over this material in a custom format for your player. Because you've taken the time to watch this video, you're going to get the very special price of $425. And we're only offering it for 12 players to keep the quality high and make sure that we are able to achieve the results we want with every player we're working with. We're going to only accept 12 players into the program.